Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will show you how the point of sales POS system works on the mobile device for the delivery boy. Open the delivery boy app and log into your app account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Just to inform you, only the delivery boys can sign up through the app, whereas the payment collectors don't have an option to sign up through the app. Once you have logged in, you'll be redirected to the delivery boy's home screen. Tap the side menu icon and then tap current deliveries. Here you will see all the orders that are to be delivered and for which the payments are to be collected. Now tap the order which is to be delivered, and once you have reached the pickup location, tap the confirm pickup button. Once you have reached the order drop-off location, tap the I have arrived button. Now you'll be redirected to the payment details screen where you can select the post payment method to collect payment. Now tap the payment button to select the payment method. Here you will see two options, card, POS, and cash. Please note that the options as selected by the admin on the backend will be displayed here. Now select the card POS option and tap OK. You'll be redirected to the payment screen. Here you can check the amount to be collected and also check whether the reader is connected to the mobile device or not. Just to inform you, the reader is connected to the mobile device via Bluetooth, and for now, we currently accommodate payment from the BB POS Chipper 2X BT card reader only. You can use the reader to accept credit and debit card payments at the point of payment. If the reader is not connected to the mobile device, then you need to connect the reader before collecting the payment. Please note that the reader must be connected through the app only and not through the native mobile Bluetooth settings. From here you can manage readers and check the pair readers. Once the reader search is completed, tap Connect to connect the reader to the mobile device. Once the reader is connected, you can process the payment. Next, tap the Process Payment button and you'll be redirected to the card reader screen. Now you can accept credit and debit card payments by inserting or swiping cards on the reader. Once done, remove the credit or debit card from the reader. Finally, you'll be redirected to the payment confirmation screen. Here you can view the transaction ID, order ID, and the amount collected using the post payment option. Now tap the Go to Home button to go back to the delivery boy home screen. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.